I'm David Golding. I've been buying and selling classic and modern cars since 1988.
For sale today I have this 1958 Mercedes 190 SL. It's a 1.8 four-cylinder 4-speed manual. Left-hand drive, originated in the USA, brought to Ireland in the early 90s and was subject to a nut and bolt restoration that took many years to complete. It was finished about 8 years ago. It remained in a private collection till recently. We have taken it out and given it a full recommissioning. All the fluids have been changed, a new set of tyres. It's in absolutely stunning condition throughout. It borrows many of the styling aspects of its bigger Gullwing and Roadster brother and is absolutely amazing inside and out. Come on, we'll walk around. Stunning lines on this car. We fitted this recent set of Michelin white band tyres. Most of the components on the car are brand new. Body panels, chromes, fixtures and fittings, interior. It's had a full engine rebuild and it presents in this magnificent condition. Inside, she's been fully retrimmed using all original specification materials, leather seats, correct carpet materials, brilliant steering wheel, and has a period wind-up Keeneler clock, working order. Absolutely magnificent. Great attention to detail in the engine bay. It's been converted to run on Weber carburetors, far more reliable than the original Solex. Here we see the original colour code, DB40G, which is the black it's finished in. Made in Western Germany, piece of history there. So many new components fitted here. It's also been converted to electronic ignition with an appropriate coil. Really presents magnificently. Inside the boot, again everything brand new. Lift the mat here and you can see all the metalwork. Perfect. Spare wheel on the jacket there. Underneath you can see she's as good as she is on top. Loads of new components, everything bone dry. Let's go for a little spin. Starts on the key. Accelerates briskly through the gears. Everything's totally rebuilt, engine, gearbox, suspension, brakes, steering, so it's really tight to drive. Oil pressure is good. Handles well. The car has covered just now 21 miles since the rebuild was done. I've done most of those now recently. Giving it a good shakedown. The Weber carbs, I think, have released more power than the original Solex. Very sprightly to drive now for a car that's well over 60 years old. Everything's working except the temperature gauge. Even the Keeneler wind-up clock is working, though you have to wind it, I think, nearly on a daily basis. And of course all the synchro mesh is good on the gearbox. Big steering wheel makes it easy work of turning into the corners. No power steering, of course. Nice and snug inside. Very little wind noise with the roof up. What a fabulous example.
Price of this magnificent car is €149,950. We can arrange for it to be shipped anywhere in the world.
I'm very proud to be the top rated car dealer on Trustpilot in Ireland today.